Hey everyone, it's Courtney back in Phrase's Tool Lab, and I'm here to give you another product highlight. Sphero X is our all-new ball nose tool used for efficient machining of hardened tool steels, ranging from 40 to 70 Rockwell. Tool and die makers are faced with the challenge of machining complex geometries in heat-treated materials and must maintain extremely tight tolerances. In the past, ball nose tools have fallen short of the goal by not maintaining tool life, accuracy, or the ability to mill extremely hard materials. For these reasons, Phrase has developed the latest ball nose tool called the Sphero X. The advantages of the Sphero X are flexibility because it can be used in both roughing and finishing, increased reliability thanks to the newly developed Safe Setter cutting edge, increased tool life because of our all-new Duro V coating, a form accuracy within plus or minus 5 microns, lower overall tool costs thanks to the wide range of materials it can machine, and multiple uses by taking advantage of Retool, our guaranteed resharpening program. Phrase makes finding speeds and feeds for the Sphero X easy by using Tool Expert, our premier online speed and feed calculator. Here I'm selecting the Sphero X and choosing a 6mm tool. Now I'm searching for 420 stainless in our material comparison tab, and I'm selecting the version hardened to 52 to 56 Rockwell. I'm selecting roughing for my application and leaving the working angle at the default of 30 degrees. Now I get my speeds and feeds, and it only takes one click to download a PDF setup sheet. Our first cut, we are using a 6mm Sphero X, roughing in 420 stainless steel, heat treated to 52 Rockwell. We're taking a step down and step over of 28 thou and running at 7,315 RPM and 63 inches a minute. This next cut, we're using a 4mm Sphero X and pre-finishing in CPM 4V at 64 Rockwell. We're taking a step down of 5 thousandths and a step over of 6 thou and 3/10. We have a spindle speed of 7,855 RPM and a feed rate of 34 inches a minute. Our last cut, we're using a 5mm Sphero X, and we are machining D2 hardened to 60 Rockwell. We have a step down and step over of 4 thou and 5/10 with an RPM of 6,465 and a feed rate of 27 inches per minute. If you are roughing or finishing hardened steels and need to maintain geometrical accuracies, then Phrase's Sphero X is the tool for you. The Sphero X is offered in both inch and metric, ranging from a 32nd of an inch up to 16mm. Contact a regional sales manager by going to phrase.com, then clicking on where to buy, or contact us at toollab@phraseusa.com so we can provide you with a risk-free trial tool so you can experience the advantages for yourself. Also, please subscribe.